I'm gonna try to do this. Even though I think I'm coming down with the plague, I will try to do this. This is Jason, everyone. He's playing his Black Knight for the last time. The last time until it is a new machine. Because we are about to disassemble this thing and apply a hardtop. Now, I know what some of you may be thinking. What the hell is a hardtop? Let's have the owner of a hardtop company to explain what the hardtops are.
Now, what hardtops is a polycarbonate 0.030 inch material with the artwork applied in reverse on the back side for each playfield that they plan on making these for.
This is a look around the playfield just to give you an idea of why he is replacing the playfield with a hardtop. This is just showing you all the damage that is across the playfield, but this is going to be completely shined up and new by the time this project is over and done with. As you can even see, the rubbers on this thing are turning black and they're originally white. So that just gives you an idea of the lack of maintenance that this thing has occurred. On to the rotisserie. In order to replace the playfield with a hardtop, you're going to need to get your playfield down to the bare bones. You can't have anything on the playfield at all because this is going to be covering your entire playfield. You don't want your slingshot mechanism sticking out of the top, nothing like that. It needs to be completely vacant of every obstacle that will be in your way. While you're doing this, you want to make sure that you document this entire teardown. You want to make sure that whatever you're taking off, you're going to be able to put it back in the same place as that it used to be. Take plenty of pictures, videos, whatever you got to do. Here we are disassembling the flipper mechanisms to make it to where the flippers are no longer on the playfield. Man, this thing is filthy. And here it is, guys. Here is the playfield, completely taken down. Give you a look at what it looks like with just the parts removed from the playfield machine. Now, some of this playfield, guys, has not seen the light of days since it was first made in 1980. So you're looking at almost 40 years worth of built-up grime, dust, dirt. It's all in there. So everything we do from this point forward is going to be an improvement. Now here's Jason giving the playfield a good wipe down, getting all the excess dirt off the machine, just to give it a better idea of what the machine looks like whenever you remove all that dirt, just to see if maybe that fixes everything. Here's your good over-the-top view of the playfield. to give you an idea of the condition of this playfield. The next part is not going to come easy, and it didn't come easy for him. But the next portion is, of course, to sand the playfield down. Now, you don't have to sand the entire playfield down to the bare wood. It is only recommended that you sand the playfield around the inserts to remove the ink that is on the inserts already, because the hardtop has already got the insert artwork on it. So you don't want it to be dual layered of inserts on there, because that may not match up just right. So you just need to sand the inserts. But we were going to be doing the entire playfield, so he is sanding all of the artwork down to the bare wood. Now, I highly recommend that when you're sanding your playfield, you do it outdoors and you wear a air filter, mask, purifier, whatever you need to, but to protect your lungs. We, on the other hand, did not do any of this because I don't know why. I think back now and I'm like, we should have had some sort of protection on. Maybe that's why I'm sick now. As you can see him lighting up the inserts from underneath to make sure that he's sanded off enough. He doesn't want to cause any more damage to the inserts than he already is. So he's lighting up the inserts from underneath just to make sure that he's able to scuff off the ink that is on the inserts. And here it is. A bare playfield. It hasn't looked like this since it came off the factory floor. Crazy. Right now we're just kind of cleaning up the wood right here, getting it in better condition. Spraying some Novus 1 on there, giving it a good little wipe down, just to get any other dirt and grime that might be on there. And this is actually after we did a spray of clear over the inserts and I airbrushed the shooter lane. So the shooter lane has been airbrushed and now all the inserts have been covered in a single thin layer of clear coat. The thing is, when we first sprayed this clear coat, he wasn't happy with the way it turned out. Let's just say that. So he actually ended up going back over it again, sanding it down some more, and then doing it again. Now, what we've done also has we've painted all around the inserts black. So that is basically as insurance. So in case for some reason the hardtop is not lined up perfectly, that we're not going to see bare wood. We're going to see black. So that is basically just to cover you. So whenever you apply your hardtop, it's recommended to trace around the inserts with black just in case for some reason things don't line up exactly right. And that is the hardtop, guys. That's what the hardtop looks like. Look at that artwork. That is very, very beautiful. And we're going to apply this. But that's going to be for the next video. And there it is, guys. Part 1 of probably a 3-part series for this Black Knight hardtop install. So that just gives you an idea of how long this process takes. If you want to do it basically the best that it can be done, it would take longer. It takes a while, because when you clear coat, you need that clear to completely degas, and so that way you're not getting other issues underneath that hardtop. If you've liked this video, guys, give me that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, peace out.